Polish company Clone Robotics continues its efforts to create the world's first humanoid robot with artificial muscles. Recently, engineers released new footage showcasing the testing of their latest creation. The standout feature of this development, named Torso, lies in its use of hydraulic tendons and muscles to mimic human musculature, potentially enabling smoother and more natural movements compared to traditional robotic machines. In recent years, robotics has seen an intriguing shift toward bionic technologies. Researchers are striving to develop robots that not only function as mechanical devices, but also closely emulate the human body. Torso is an innovation that leverages hydraulic tendons and artificial muscles to achieve movements that mirror the fluidity and naturalness of human motion. By incorporating elements of biomechanics, this robot opens new frontiers in physical therapy and rehabilitation. Imagine the potential applications of such robots in assisting patients recovering from injuries or surgeries. A robot capable of not only physically supporting patients, but also guiding them through movements that closely resemble natural ones, could significantly enhance and expedite the process of rehabilitation. Reuters recently featured a report on the progress of one of the world's most advanced robots named Neo, developed by the Norwegian company 1X. The robot's capabilities are so impressive that each new video showcasing it quickly goes viral. The humanoid android can operate autonomously for 2 to 4 hours and perform tasks such as opening doors, carrying various objects, washing dishes, cooking meals, and even playing board games. In case of an emergency, the robot can be remotely deactivated in real time. Standing at a height of 165 centimeters and weighing 30 kilograms, Neo can lift up to 20 kilograms. It moves at a walking speed of 4 kilometers per hour and can run at 12 kilometers per hour. Neo's body is designed with a muscular anatomy rather than rigid hydraulics, making it as strong and gentle as a human. It is capable of walking, jogging, climbing stairs, and navigating spaces in a natural manner. As the robot moves and performs tasks, it becomes increasingly efficient through continuous learning. The American company Blended has developed a unique robot capable of preparing smoothies as skillfully as a human. This fully automated kiosk uses advanced artificial intelligence, robotics, and data analysis technologies. The innovative system allows the robot to adapt to individual user preferences, crafting beverages perfectly tailored to their tastes. Equipped with a robotic arm and multiple ingredient dispensers, the robot can prepare up to 9 smoothies simultaneously. The entire process from selecting ingredients to serving the finished drink takes approximately 3 minutes. Users can customize their orders directly at the kiosk or via a mobile application. These robots are designed to operate in high-traffic locations, such as universities, shopping malls, and supermarkets, delivering fresh and healthy drinks with minimal human involvement. Toyota's Q6 is an advanced humanoid robot, which recently achieved a Guinness World Record for the longest basketball shot made by a robotic machine, reaching an impressive distance of 24.5 meters. This shot is roughly 85% of the length of a professional NBA court. Standing at 207 centimeters tall and weighing approximately 94 kilograms, Q6 combines the stature of a professional basketball player with a robust yet agile design. It features state-of-the-art sensors, actuators, and an artificial intelligence system that processes real-time feedback to enhance its performance. Using sophisticated algorithms, Q6 analyzes its previous shots and learns from errors to refine its aim and adjust variables such as arm position, posture, and shot strength. Earlier versions of Q also garnered attention, including setting a record for the most consecutive basketball free throws by a robotic humanoid, successfully completing 2,020 shots. The Turkish company Akın Robotics has also joined the race to create the most advanced robotic humanoids. Although their robots currently lag behind competitors, their developments show promising potential. For instance, the company has developed an entire lineup of social robots called ADA-7. These robots are designed to interact with people in various public spaces, such as museums, shopping centers, and offices. As the latest model in the ADA series, they provide an advanced platform for communication and assistance. The robots are equipped with lithium-ion batteries that allow for up to 8 hours of autonomous operation, with a full recharge taking 4 hours. One of the key features of ADA-7 is its ability to autonomously return to its charging station, enhancing convenience for users. Additionally, the robot supports communication in multiple languages, including Turkish, English, Russian, Arabic, and German, making it a versatile solution for an international audience. French engineers have unveiled a highly unusual invention, a drone umbrella called Dronebrella. This autonomous umbrella uses artificial intelligence and drone technology to follow the user independently, protecting them from rain or sun, while freeing up their hands for other tasks. Dronebrella is equipped with a camera and an advanced AI system that allows it to track the user and maintain its position overhead, even while in motion. The umbrella is controlled via a mobile application and offers both manual operation and automatic follow modes. It provides effective protection against weather elements while enabling activities like using a phone without needing to hold an umbrella. However, the design still requires refinement. Current technical challenges include improving the obstacle recognition system to better navigate hazards such as low-hanging wires and signs. The startup Ensven has unveiled an updated version of its sleep-enhancing bed called the Modular Bed Rocker. This innovation uses modules that gently rock the bed, aiming to soothe and relax users. The company states that the modular bed rocker improves sleep quality and deepens slow-wave sleep. The new version features a more powerful motor capable of supporting up to 680 kilograms, addressing the jamming issues present in earlier models. Ensven 3 also boasts an improved control system and new rocking modes. For instance, the shake mode, which creates more vigorous movements, is particularly beneficial for children with autism. Additionally, the interval and random modes adjust the rocking speed based on the time of day. The system includes an automatic activation feature that starts rocking when it detects restless sleep. The oscillation speed can be adjusted between 3 and 20 seconds per cycle. The Ensven 3 modular bed rocker is priced at $650. Researchers from Princeton and Stanford universities have developed a mobile robot named TidyBot, which is designed for personalized indoor cleaning. The robot can pick up various items such as clothing, toys, and groceries, and organize them in their appropriate places. Its standout feature is its ability to adapt to the specific preferences of the user. During trials, TidyBot demonstrated high accuracy, successfully placing up to 85% of objects in the correct locations. It supports natural language interaction, making control easy. Users can give commands via voice or text, and the robot comprehends and executes them thanks to its AI integration. For instance, if a user prefers their clothes to be stored in a specific spot, the robot quickly learns and applies this preference in future tasks. In real-world scenarios, TidyBot efficiently managed cleaning tasks by picking up and organizing items, making it an ideal assistant for household chores. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. See you next time.